When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of a home, natural light plays a crucial role. Homeowners in Sumter, with its warm climate and beautiful surroundings, have an excellent opportunity to incorporate elements that make the most of sunlight. One of the most effective ways to bring in more natural light is by installing awning windows. These windows not only elevate the ambiance of a home but also offer a variety of practical benefits that make them an ideal choice for Sumter residences. What are awning windows? Awning windows are a type of window that hinges at the top, allowing the window to open outward like an awning. This unique design provides homeowners with several advantages, particularly when it comes to controlling airflow and allowing natural light into their homes. Unlike traditional windows that open sideways or vertically, awning windows open outward from the top, making them an excellent choice for areas where space might be limited. Maximizing natural light. One of the main reasons Sumter homeowners are drawn to awning windows is their ability to flood a room with natural light. Because the window swings outward, it creates an unobstructed view of the outside while letting sunlight pour into the room. These windows are especially effective in rooms that may not receive adequate light from other sources. The design ensures that even small or tight spaces can benefit from daylight, enhancing the mood and atmosphere of the home. Furthermore, awning windows can be strategically placed in areas that typically lack natural light, such as basements or rooms with limited exterior walls. With their ability to open outward, they bring in fresh air without compromising light, which is a unique feature that many other window types cannot offer. In Sumter's sunny climate, where there are abundant opportunities for sunlight, these windows take full advantage of the weather, delivering a well-lit and airy environment. Energy efficiency and comfort. Natural light is not only a great way to brighten up a room, but it can also help reduce your energy consumption. Awning windows are designed to be energy efficient. By strategically positioning them to allow for optimal sunlight, homeowners can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. This can lead to lower energy bills, particularly in Sumter's warmer months, where air conditioning use is frequent. The increased daylight also means you may not need to rely on lights as much, reducing overall energy usage. Moreover, awning windows provide excellent insulation when closed. Their top-hinged design allows the window to seal tightly, minimizing drafts and preventing hot or cold air from entering the home. This can be particularly beneficial in Sumter, where temperatures can fluctuate between hot summers and cooler winters. Homeowners can enjoy a comfortable indoor environment while maintaining energy efficiency. Durability and protection from the elements. Another advantage of awning windows is that they provide protection from the elements, especially rain. When these windows are open, the design allows them to act as a shield, preventing rainwater from entering the home. This is particularly useful during afternoon thunderstorms, which are common in Sumter. Homeowners can keep their windows open to let in fresh air and natural light without worrying about getting their interiors wet. Additionally, awning windows are highly durable and can withstand the occasional strong wind or weather change. This resilience makes them ideal for Sumter's climate, where weather conditions can be unpredictable at times. Style and versatility. The awning windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and sizes, making them an adaptable addition to any home. Whether you're looking to upgrade your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, these windows can complement the design of your home, adding a touch of modern elegance or blending seamlessly with more traditional architectural styles. The versatility of awning windows allows homeowners to create the exact look and feel they want, while benefiting from increased natural light and improved ventilation. Conclusion. In Sumter, where the climate and outdoor beauty offer plenty of opportunities for natural light, installing awning windows can transform your home. Not only do these windows enhance the aesthetics of your space, but they also provide energy efficiency, durability, and protection from the elements. If you're looking to brighten up your living space while maintaining comfort and style, awning windows are an excellent choice that will allow you to make the most of Sumter's abundant sunlight.